Always check the description box for more detailed ingredients. Half of the cheese is used now, and set aside the other half for later. If you want the dressing to be more creamy and less fluid, use 1/8 a cup of oil here instead. I absolutely love extra virgin olive oil, so that's why I use 1/4 a cup. If you don't like the strong flavor of extra virgin olive oil, then you will want to use light olive oil or another neutral tasting oil of your choice. Cutting it this way into the nice rectangular pieces makes for a beautiful presentation. You don't want to cook the garlic for too long because you don't want to burn it. We just want to give the oil the garlic flavor here, then toss the bread into it. This salad is so beautiful and it smells absolutely wonderful. This salad goes very nicely with the Italian spaghetti and scallops. Check out that video next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.